Facebook Inbox is still one of the most powerful channels for sales and customer outreach. Messages feel personal, direct, and usually get higher response rates than posts. But the problem is simple. Sending messages manually takes too much time. And when you manage multiple Facebook profiles, it becomes almost impossible to scale. That's why many people give up on Facebook messaging, even though it still works extremely well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send bulk messages on Facebook safely, using automation that looks and behaves like a real human. This is the software I'm using. First, let's start with account management inside the system. You can add and manage multiple Facebook profiles in one dashboard. Each profile runs independently. Different browser environment, different IP address, and different behavior. This setup is very important because Facebook closely monitors messaging activity. If everything looks the same, accounts get restricted very quickly. With this setup, each profile behaves like a real person. Next, we move to the messaging feature. This is where bulk messaging happens. You can send messages to friends, UID, ID page. For example, people who interacted with your posts, joined groups, or matched. Specific criteria. Before sending messages, you prepare your message content. The key rule here is simple: keep it short, natural, and conversational. No long sales pitch. No spammy links, just real messages that sound like a human typing. You can create multiple message templates inside the system. The software will automatically rotate these messages between accounts. This avoids duplicate content and helps every conversation look unique. After that, you set the daily message limit for each account. You also set random delays between messages. This step is extremely important. Random timing makes your messaging behavior look natural and safe. Once everything is ready, you choose the accounts you want to run and click Start. Now the system begins sending messages automatically. Each account works separately. Messages are sent with natural delays, just like a real person switching between chats. From Facebook's perspective, this activity looks completely normal. Bulk messaging is perfect for many use cases: sales outreach, customer follow-ups, product promotions, or service introductions. Instead of sitting in front of the screen all day, you let the system handle the repetitive work. You only focus on replying to interested users and closing conversations. This approach helps you save time, increase reply rates, and scale Facebook messaging without burning accounts. No spam, no risky shortcuts, just controlled, human-like automation. This is how you can use Facebook bulk messaging effectively in 2025. If you want to try this tool, check the link in the description below. You can also contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp for more details. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.